What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are unboxing the Boxy Charm base box for the month of August. I know I'm a little bit behind in these videos. I'm trying to, you know, film what I can on the days that I want to. I've kind of just been in a little bit of like a rut. I just feel like my channel hasn't been going the way I want it to go. It was doing so well, and then all of a sudden the algorithm decided it just wanted to, you know, drop me and not do so well. So I don't know, I kind of got discouraged. I know I shouldn't look at it that way, but I just felt like, I don't know, I was getting very discouraged. Anyways, so this is the Boxy Charm base box. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. You guys know what to do. You know the gist. If you like videos like this video, a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl, Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so we have the Boxy Charm base box. I don't know what the price of this is these days. I think it's like $28, $29. Maybe it's pushing $30 now. Something like that. But you get 5 full-size products in it. There is customization. I always have a link down below for you guys if you ever want to go ahead and try it out. And then you get to choose one item a month to be put into this box based on the items I think that are curated towards you, that I think that you would like based on the quiz that you take. So this is what the card looks like. It just says Dusk Till Dawn, kind of like that brownish nude shade because we're in August. It's finally coming that time for fall time, even though it's really hot outside still. But we do have 5 full-size products, and you guys know that after every single, after all my subscription unboxings, I do a giveaway. I will let you know I'm a little bit behind. If I haven't announced winners from some of these past videos, I do apologize. Life happens, work happens. I swear I will announce them. I didn't forget about them. I'm not trying to scam you guys whatsoever, and you guys do know, the people who have received my giveaways, you guys know I'm very honest. I will make sure it gets to you. I send you guys a tracking number, all that type of things. So again, if you guys want to be a part of that giveaway or any future giveaways, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. So anyways, jumping into this video already, Boxy Charm, I have 5 full-size products in here. Honestly, I don't even remember what I chose, so we're just going to go ahead and jump in right away. We've got this item right here, which is by Queen. Queen Studios. This is the Bow Down Brow Glue. Command your brows with easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula, stays in place up to 16 hours. Very natural finish for any color brow. Armed with a baby spoolie applicator, sweep and shape your brows to perfection. This is a new launch for Boxy Charm. I do know we have seen Queen Studios in Ipsy before, so this is the first time for Boxy Charm. Obviously you guys know they're all underneath the same umbrella now. They're both underneath the same umbrella. But if you guys don't know, and you can see the little photo on there, if you guys don't know who this is, she was a part of like a singing group. And I forget what the name was, but she's come up with some killer music on her own past that. So you guys should definitely check her out. She's the one that also does that TikTok sound. Oh my god. How does it go? Like, have you seen my silhouette? That one or whatever. It's giving bad energy, whatever it is. That one. This is her. So she also has her own makeup line on top of like doing music and things like that. You should check out her TikTok channel. It's actually really cool. And her music is just amazing. Look her up on iTunes. So it's QVEEN is how she also spells her name. So yeah, there's that. So that's $16 right there, right off the bat. Then we have a Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkling Shadow. This is for $20. This is in the shade Glam. Go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. So there is that. I like liquid eyeshadows, but I'm not really into them that quite often. I really don't have that many in my collection, even though I just purchased one the other day. But we're gonna go ahead and put this into the giveaway because it's not my jam, and I know I won't use it, and it's just gonna sit there. Then the next thing we have is a Tannis Sunset to the Stars lip oil. This is $27. It's a new brand to Boxy Charm. It just has coconut oil, pomegranate seed oil, to plump and hydrate, plus a sheer pink that can build with each stroke is what it says. So let's go ahead and open this up. You guys know I'm a sucker for a lip oil. Ooh, this is pretty. And it smells good. So this is supposed to be a lip oil. It feels more like a lip gloss, but I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm down with this. So it's a lip oil, lip gloss hybrid type of thing. I'm down for that. We're going to take that out of the packaging just in case so I don't accidentally put it back in, since I already went ahead and swatched it. And then we have a really cool product in here. This is Glow Recipe. This is avocado melt retinol eye cream. Eye creams, god damn it. I need as many eye creams as possible to get rid of these bags underneath my eyes. I feel like they just crease. I don't know. I need to get more sleep realistically. Do I have this though already? I feel like I have something comparable to this. No, I have the avocado retinol sleeping mask. And then this is the avocado retinol eye cream. So this is retailing for $42. So that's definitely going into my collection over here. So I can use those two items combined. Then last but not least, we have another item from the Stack the Odds multi-use face, whatever. It's a highlighter, a blush, and a contour. And this is in Sassy Pants. This is not new, but I swear I thought I just got something like this. I know I did. Yeah, I did. Okay, so then I also have it in the shade Sunkissed. So why are we getting repeat items? Like, do you see this? So this one is in Sassy Pants. So let's open this one up and see what this one looks like compared to the other one. So it slides. Okay, I think. So here's what this one looks like. A little bit more on the lighter side. And it's all magnet. And then this is Sunkissed. So I think this is one that's, I think this is darker. And we'll slide all of these out. Come on. And then this is what this one looks like. So I'm definitely not going to keep both of these. I'm probably just going to go ahead and give you guys that one because I have this one already and I don't need two of these. Again, this is from the brand Stack the Odds. And I just think I like the shades in that one better than I like the shades in this one. So this will also be a part of this month's giveaway going into it. And then again, if you guys want to try to shop the actual website, if you go to meetallyoop.com/gift, you can get $10 off on them. So that's going to go into the giveaway. So that is all 5 products that we got. Am I excited about this box? This box was okay. It wasn't like amazing, but it was okay. So let's go ahead and add up the price of this box really quickly since they actually give us a card. And we can go from there. So the total of this box comes out to be $143. I forgot to tell you that this right here was $38 and the lip oil was $27. What? This is a not known brand and they want $27 for this? Yeah, no. You're tripping on that one. But anyways, $143. I think we got some pretty okay products. The retinol from Glow Recipe was probably the best product so far. I didn't actually open this one up. This is really, really cute packaging on here. Again, it's just a really small clear brow gel. You can never go wrong with a clear brow gel. And I actually just bought one, so now I have a backup of a different brand for a clear brow gel, so that's really cool. So we're gonna go ahead and put that over there. So that is the end of this video. Let me know your comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below of what you guys thought I got in this box. And if you liked it, didn't like it, I don't know. I will have the other boxes coming up soon after this video sometime shortly. We'll see what happens. I'm filming a lot today before I leave this house. Also, I did film a video doing this look. I also hauled all that stuff, which should go up before this video, more than likely. We'll see. But if you guys want to see that video, I will link it down below for you if it's up already, or I'll link it here for you guys so you guys can see it. But I think my makeup turned out really, really pretty. I really like it. And yeah, there's that. So I love you guys so much. You guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.